We're exploring everything you need to know about the curious plant ALBUCA spiralis, commonly called the Frizzle Sizzle or spiral succulent. Looking for a striking plant that stands out for its shape and is easy to care for? Let's dive in. What is ALBUCA spiralis? ALBUCA spiralis is a bulbous succulent native to South Africa. Its long green leaves naturally curl into spirals like tiny corkscrews. This distinctive twist isn't just beautiful. It helps the plant reduce water loss in arid climates. The leaves emerge directly from an underground bulb, forming a compact rosette. In season, it sends up a tall stem topped with fragrant, light green to yellow flowers. Light and temperature. This plant thrives in bright light. Place it where it gets full sun or at least several hours of strong, indirect light. Indoors, a south or west facing window is perfect. Without enough light, the leaves lose their curls and grow straight. ALBUCA spirals prefers mild to warm temperatures and does not tolerate hard frosts. If you live in a cold winter region, grow it in a pot so you can move it indoors during the coldest months. Pot and soil. Use a deep pot with drainage holes to protect the bulb from excess moisture. A fertile, well-draining mix works best. Combine equal parts sand, peat, and worm castings with a handful of perlite. For extra drainage, add a thin layer of gravel at the bottom. Watering. Because it stores water in its bulb, overwatering is the biggest risk. Allow the soil to dry almost completely between waterings. During its active growth, typically spring, water about once a week or every 10 days, depending on room temperature. In winter dormancy, reduce watering dramatically or stop if the leaves die back. Propagation. ALBUCA spiralis can be propagated by separating new bulbs that form beside the main bulb, or from seeds collected after flowering. Division is simplest and should be done during the plant's dormant period. Common problems and solutions. Although it is an easy plant to care for, there are some problems that may arise. Leaves losing their spiral, usually a sign of insufficient light. Move it to a sunnier spot. Rot, caused by excess moisture or poorly draining soil. Remove damaged parts and repot in fresh, dry mix. Dry leaves. Normal in winter dormancy, but if it happens in other seasons, review watering and sun exposure. Pests are rare, but mealybugs or aphids can appear. Treat them with potassium soap or neem oil. If you want to continue learning about plant care, don't miss the playlist we've left here. Tell us, are you thinking about having an ALBUCA spiralis at home? See you next time.